Ranking of down jacket fillings. First to last, waist fibers. There is also someone called Bovella fibers. In fact, it is all kinds of feathers broken into feather fibers. The price is very cheap, but don't buy it. Second to last and third to last, 30 fleece and 50 fleece. That is, the down content is 30% and 50%. A little warmer than waist fibers, but not much. Not to mention metrics like fluffiness, usually not marked. Positive number 3, 80 duck down. That is, duck down with 80% of the new national standard fleece content, compliant with down jacket standards. Many fashion down jackets are probably made of this stuff lining, mainly worn above 0 degrees. Positive second, 90 duck down, can rank among the ranks of mid to high-end down jackets. The price is more expensive. However, the charging capacity and fluffiness are up to standard. It can be worn at -10 degrees. Positive number 1, 90 goose down. Special for high-quality down jackets, including extremely cold regions, also using this goose down. The matching fluffiness is generally above 800. The charging amount is enough. Add some top fabric, like Gore-Tex. Northeast China at -20 or 30 degrees is fine. See where your down jacket washing label filler ranks.